to Tella Friend. And today we're gonna tie-dye. So everyone knows what dye means, right? Like if there's a color, you change it to a different color. But tie-dyeing is you design your own t-shirt with a rubber band. If you do straight lines, then it might look like this. But it may be in a different color. And if you do squares, it might look like this.
They're kind of like rectangles too, Tella. Let's open it and see what's inside.
Okay. I got it. Whoa! So there's dye, gloves, and elastics. And this plastic cover.
Sure, we're going to do a spiral. And Tella, for her dress, she's going to do this. And I'm going to do stripes.
Okay, let's do this. So this is a wrapping paper tube. And I'm going to wrap my dress around this wrapping tube. And then we're going to tie it. Yeah.
This is what we made.
We finished our dresses.
This looks like a snake.
It looks like a braid.
Oh yeah, kind of.
I am the queen. So we finished our dresses and our t-shirts. Now we're gonna put the dye on it. Now we chose these colors, but we're gonna share. So right now it's all powder, and so we need to fill the water up to here. Do you see the powder?
To here. Black powder.
We need to fill it with water up to here, so that it turns into dye. Done. Now we're gonna take the lid off and squeeze it where we want it to be. It's not on my face, is it? Really? You sure?
I'm already done with my t-shirt.
Now we're done with our first piece. So now we're gonna wrap it with kitchen wrap.
For the next piece, we're going to add some different colors inside our bow because we don't have a lot of dye. And then we're going to roll it around. And putting it in. And then gosh.
We need to wait for 8 hours, so we'll be asleep by then. So we're gonna check this tomorrow. See you tomorrow morning. It's the next day, and now we're gonna wash the tie-dye off. It's getting darker. So we did one dress, one t-shirt. These look great. This was supposed to be a spiral. But I still love them all.
And these were supposed to be lines, but it turned out into my own design.
Me too. But we still had a lot of fun. It was super messy. I loved it. And it was super fun. You gotta try this. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!